Someone asks you a question in English. You hear it, you translate it, you think of an answer, you translate it back, you check the grammar, you panic. And by the time you finally speak, the moment's gone. That's not a vocabulary problem. That's not a grammar problem. That's a translation habit. As long as you translate, you will never feel fluent. Today, I'm going to show you how to break that habit and start thinking directly in English. Stay with me. This will change the way your brain works. The brutal truth is that fluent speakers do not translate. They connect ideas directly to English. But when you translate, your brain is doing double work. Your language to English, your language to English. It's exhausting. That's why you feel tired after conversations. That's why you feel slow. That's why you hesitate. Fluency is not about knowing more words. It's about removing one step. And today, we remove it. Let's take a mini quiz. Answer this question. When you translate in your head, what increases? A. Speed. B. Confidence. Or C. Mental delay. The answer is C. When you translate in your head, mental delay increases. Your brain does not naturally think in language. It thinks in pictures. When I say coffee, you don't see the word C-O-F-F-E-E. You see a cup. That is direct thinking. Now, let's train it. Close your eyes for a second. Beach. Rain. Traffic. Your kitchen. Your phone. Did you translate? Or did you see it? That's the beginning of fluency. Here's where most learners make a mistake. You try to sound intelligent. You try to sound advanced. So you translate complicated ideas. Stop. Fluent speakers think simply. Instead of, I am experiencing frustration, say, I'm annoyed. Instead of, I will investigate, say, I'll check. Simple sentences move fast. Fast movement creates fluency. Let's do a quick activity. Answer this out loud. What did you do yesterday? Do not translate, just answer. Keep it simple. Say something like, I worked. I stayed home. I met a friend. That's enough. Mini quiz 2. What should you build first? A. Complex vocabulary. B. Automatic simple phrases. Or C. Perfect grammar. The answer is B. automatic simple phrases. This is the most important thing to build first. Now, we build the habit. Every day, narrate your life in English. Speak out loud. I'm opening the door. I'm tired. I need coffee. It's cold today. No translating. If you don't know a word, simplify. Don't know exhausted, say very tired. Fluency loves flexibility. Perfection kills it. Let's do a 30-second challenge. For 30 seconds, think about tomorrow, only in English. Your plans, your schedule, your responsibilities. No translating allowed. Go! That slight discomfort you feel? That's your brain growing. Time for mini quiz 3. When practicing thinking in English, you should A. Stop when you make mistakes. B. Keep going. Or C. Switch back to your language. The correct answer is B. Keep going. Let me tell you the real reason you translate. It's not because you can't speak English. It's because you're afraid to be wrong. But children don't translate. They experiment. They say the wrong thing, and they keep going. That's why they become fluent. Fluency is built through movement, not perfection. Now time for the final quiz. What creates fluency? A. Perfect sentences. B. Constant translating. Or C. Continuous thinking in English. The correct answer is C. Continuous thinking in English. From now on, stop asking, how do I say this in English? Instead, ask, how can I say this simply? Your English is already inside you. You just need to remove the translator. If you're ready to start thinking in English, comment below, I'm done translating. And start today. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao, my favorite blabanitos!